Hey, wonderful teachers. It's Buzz Tip time again. This week I wanted to show you about recovering accidentally deleted items or missing items from your folder. So you can go into your student course, into the Buzz course, and go up to your wrench icon, which is your tools. Come down to your recycle bin, and then it has all the stuff that has been deleted in here. There's like a couple of pages in this one, but it also has what folder that it originated from, the date that it was deleted and the time, and then who it was deleted by. So you're going to see some other stuff that was probably deleted by corporate, just because stuff has been outdated, so they are deleting those and updating stuff with that. So you want to click on the activity that you want to restore. Click Restore Your Selected. You're going to have to wait just a little bit, and it puts it back into the session folder that it was actually deleted from. So that came from session 2. So it is right there back in session 2 where it needed to be. That is it for restoring accidentally deleted items or missing items out of your course syllabus. If you have questions or need anything, let me know. Happy charting!